Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to use game mode iOS 18. So if you play game on your iPhone and you want to use the game mode on your iPhone iOS 18 while playing the game, so you want the game mode to turn on automatically and you want the game mode to turn off automatically, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're done with this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The game mode iOS 18 is only available for all devices that uses the iOS 18. So you want to check whether you're qualified to use iOS 18. If you have not gotten the iOS 18 update on your phone, just go to General Software Update and then search for available iOS update. As you can see, I am currently running on the latest iOS 18.1. So if your phone is on iOS 18 or iOS 18.0.1 or iOS 18.1, then there is a chance that you'll be able to use the game mode on your iPhone. Now, to use game mode iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the game you want to play. So let's say this game. So once you open it, then you should see the game mode turned on instantly, game mode, without even started to play the game. So you can now go ahead and play your game. Once you open the game you want to play on your iPhone, instantly, the game mode will turn itself on automatically. So you don't need to use any button to turn on or to turn off the game mode. And once you exit the game mode will turn off itself automatically. Mark you, if it's a game you'll be playing often, maybe you've opened the game for the day and you discover that when you open the game again, the game mode will not be coming up. That doesn't show that the game mode is not working. It implies that the game mode is already active once and is active for the game. However, if you want to confirm that the game mode is on, go ahead and try to open a new game on your iPhone, and once open, you should see the game mode on the game. Even if you try to close the game like this, and then reopen it again, the game mode is not going to show up for this particular game. But just go ahead and open any game you've not played for the day, or you've not played while you haven't restarted your iPhone. Then once you're done, then you should see the game mode iOS 18 working and restricting all background activities on your iPhone to make the game run smoothly. So that is basically how you can easily use game mode iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.